To fix the FE error code on an LG washer, it's essential to understand what this code means. The FE error code indicates that there is a water overflow in the machine due to excess water. This issue can be caused by a faulty drain pump, a clogged drain filter, or faulty intake valves. To resolve the problem, several solutions can be attempted. One approach is to repair the inlet valves by opening the washer, locating the valves, and inspecting them to ensure they shut off at the right time. It's also crucial to test their closing time to confirm it aligns with the manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, washing the valves can help remove any debris that may be clogging them. Another solution is to remove and clean the clogged drain filter by opening the machine, checking the filter, and washing it to remove any laundry dirt that may be obstructing the water flow. If the issue persists, replacing the drain pump may be necessary, which involves opening the washing machine, locating the pump, removing it if faulty, and installing a new one before closing the machine. By attempting these solutions, the FE error code can be resolved, and the washer can function properly again.